Good morning here from the Celebrity Beyond. It's a beautiful morning. It's not hot, it's not cold. We're sitting somewhere around the Bahamas here. It's just absolutely beautiful. That extraordinary color of blue that it is everywhere in the world, just a little bit different here and there. There's a carnival ship ahead of us. It's just so beautiful. I want to point out this is a very full ship and there are lots and lots of places to lounge. It's beautiful. Just to enjoy, relax, quiet. This is the Solarium. Hot tubs. It's just perfect in here, not too hot, not too cold. We've got the spa cafe and juice bar right there. No. All the banks of elevators, they have one of these lists here so that you can see what's on every floor. And when you're unfamiliar with the ship, I appreciate that at the top they say sorry for the reflection forward and aft, so you kind of know which direction to go to get to what you want. So you can see that like the whole 16th floor is the Luminae and the Retreat Sun Deck. So that is for people only in that area, and 17 the Retreat Bar and Pool. So I'll talk to you about all of that and why that's important, why it's fabulous. But I just wanted to point this out. I thought it was really, really nice. This is the Retreat Deck at 17, so you have to be in a retreat suite to be able to stay here. That's the Sky Suite up. So you can see it's a nice place to come and relax, enjoy the sun, enjoy the shade. There's towels. It's fine, I got my little phone. It's just beautiful here. Right here on the bow of the ship. Sorry for the wind, it is really windy. I do have a wind thing on my microphone. So to give you a point of reference, the tangerine thing right there, that's the magic carpet that goes up and down. And then just beyond this dome is the other swimming place. Here's the Luminae. Now this is the restaurant. Luminae is the restaurant that goes with the retreat. That is, you can only eat there if you're at the retreat, and it's absolutely exceptional. But look at all of this seating right here as well. There is lots of seating in quiet places to enjoy. So if you want to have a quiet time, you can have a quiet time. And there are lots of people, lots of crew bringing drinks, checking on everyone. Spectacular service. Here. This is the Rooftop Garden Grill. So when you hear of the Eden performance, it's right there. The Eden show, it's right there on that part of the floor where that lady is singing. See, and this winds all the way up. All the seating. Sit over here, you can go on back that way, or you can go in this way. All these plants are alive. That is broccoli on the wall, growing out of the wall over there. It's broccoli. The Cosmopolitan. This is where we had dinner last night. It's beautiful in the evening when it's all lit up. Thought you'd all like to see some cruise ships here. We're by an island. You can see one cruise ship here pulled up to the dock. It's probably a little bit grainy, but I just thought you would enjoy seeing that. And then there's another cruise ship here right there. I think it's a cruise ship. And then on the Celebrity Beyond. We're just moving along kind of slowly here.
That's the magic carpet.
Form of storytelling that is familiar, but very, very unique in itself.
She turned up at the bowels of Beautiful Caribbean Musical, and there's a wonderful picture somewhere of all the cast in various sort of states of shock.
I used to feel uninspired. Under my feet, out of the sky, I'm on down. Whenever you're around, they say I will last. One, two, three, boom.
Alrighty, here's our view. The ship right over here, I'll try to zoom in for you. It's Royal Caribbean. We passed what we think is Coco Cay, Royal Caribbean's island, because there was a couple of the Royal Caribbean ships right next to it and one docked. There we go. Isn't it a beautiful evening? Sunset is just at about 7 p.m. and right now it's 6:26 p.m. Get down the side of the ship here for you. Isn't that just beautiful? Color of the ocean for you. And then I apologize that we've got this obstructed thing here. Just watch out. We are in cabin 9115 and it's obstructed. Let's see the sunset here for you. So y'all take good care. Love you all. Bye-bye.